Hey guys, well, guess what? So today at 11, I was just done like an hour ago, so it's like it's going to be 4. So today at 11, I went to Pima Medical Institute to see what's up. It's pretty much like an interview to see what's up and see how like the career that I'm interested in is. And at the end of the day, I ended up enrolling. So I'm gonna be studying medical administration assistant. I think that's how it's called. So y'all girl is going back to school. I've been out of school since I think 2000. I graduated high school in 2012. I went into community college for 2 years, I think, and then I dropped out. Reason why I dropped out, I didn't know what I wanted to study. So I'm going back to school. So pretty much it was an interview, see why I'm interested in that career, why like I want to go back to school, like what happened in my life right now that is making me want to go back to school. And pretty much the whole situation with my fiance, it's the reason why I want to go back to school. I don't want to be stuck at home while I don't work, the days I don't work, and just be depressed. I want to go home and get distracted. I want to go home. I want to go to school and get distracted and make something of myself, like get a career, work on something that, like with people. I love helping people. So I chose that career, and they told me that pretty much it works fine for me. And yeah, your girl is going back to school for medical administration assistant, and it's only 8 months, so it's not that long of a journey. I pretty much will be done on March. I'm starting next month on August, and I'll be done in March, and I'll be doing my internship, and hopefully I get the job in that same spot where I don't need to look for another job. And yeah, I'm excited. So yeah, your girl's going back to school, and I am excited. I have orientation a week before I start school, and then I have school. Back to school. Yay. So yeah, that's a little life update on me right now. I'm still going to be working while going to school. I just need to talk to my managers, and I'm sure they will understand. I'm sure they will be proud of me of going back to school, getting a career and stuff. So yeah, I was thinking of going back to school in spring, but I mean, it's better sooner than never, because I know myself. I know that if I don't do it now, I probably won't be doing it like later. So it's in a good way. Like they pushed me, well, not, they didn't push me to like enroll. They were like just like pretty much like, what's stopping you? And nothing is stopping me to go back to school. So I'm like, fuck it, let's do it. And I'm enrolled, and I'm going back to school. I'm excited, and I'll be wearing scrubs all the time. So yeah. Going back to school.
Going back to school, right?
Yes. Hey guys. So today is the 8th of August. It looks like I'm crying.
Oh, don't cry, baby. Don't cry.
Anyways, my handsome fiance.
My beautiful wife.
You hubby.
My wife.
So he's planning to go back to school too. Hopefully. Stop playing with my chinitos. So, anything, your plans about going back to school?
Back to school, well, I want to finish up. I want to finish up my test for phlebotomy, because I took the course but I never took the state exam test, so I just wanted to refresh, you know, take a refresher on that, and come back and just knock out this test, you know, and just get my state license for phlebotomy and start poking people.
Yes. So yeah, and so we're at the school parking lot right now because we were just done talking to Mary, which is my, I guess you could say my counselor.
Yeah.
But she's like a career specialist here at PIMA. So yeah, so that's why I brought him, so he could like know about everything, what he needs to do and all of that fun stuff, so he can start poking.
Fun stuff.
Yes. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and go to Walmart because I need to buy Max some food. So yeah, hopefully in the next clip you guys going to see him again because he's coming for my orientation. Yes. So yeah.
Yeah.
I want to say bye to the peeps.
Bye, peeps. Have a good day. Oh my god.
Hey loves, well, back again with the school blog. Unfortunately my fiance couldn't come to my orientation with me. So yeah, I did have my orientation today, my school orientation. Let me show you what I got. They gave me this PIMA Medical Institute Trust, Respect, and Perfect backpack. I actually have my own backpack already, so I don't think I'm gonna be using that, but it's like really cool that they gave me that. I also got like this little notebook. I wrote down some like really important information right here, like for my username and password, my email and password, and all of that. So really good, and it comes with its own little pen. So again, PIMA Medical Institute. And then I also got a checklist right here of the things I need to bring. First day checklist, proper attire, 3 notebooks for coursework, study skills, mathematics, anatomy, and physiology, and then 1 prong binder, student skill project, black ink pens, highlighters, 2 pencils or mechanical pencils. Good, because I like mechanical pencils better than regular pencils. I don't know, for some reason regular pencils hurt my fingers, and I have skinny ass fingers, as you guys know. Colored pencils, basic calculator, immunization records, which is my vaccine records, which is, I actually asked like a month ago to send them to me through, because I lost my actual record. I know, I actually lost them. So I asked like a copy of it, and they haven't sent them yet. So yeah, and a USB or flash drive, so I need to get that. And then dress code policy. So pretty much these are just things that they were going through right there at that orientation. And I also got this like agenda, which is pretty cool. I actually have my own as well, but I think this is better because it's an actual agenda for the school. So y'all, and it comes with a little booklet, like bookmark thingy. So yeah, that's what I got for that. Let me show you guys my agenda, like the one I have. I have it in my bag. If you guys want to see what's in my bag, just let me know. I do have a video of this one coming soon, of where I got it and how much it was and all of that. So here It is. This is my agenda. This is the one I've been using lately. So, yeah. First day of school, Monday. Had my orientation today. And then first day of school is coming up soon. Why is my card just chilling there? So yeah, that's pretty much it, what orientation was. It was an hour long. They were just, like I said, they were just talking about like what to expect, like what it is, and dress code. So far from the orientation, everyone was an MA. There was only like 3 pharmacist techs, and like obviously there were a couple of veterinarians as well. But there's only 2 of us who's doing medical administration assistant. Only 2, me and this other girl. So yeah. Like I said, I haven't been back to school 4 years, 6 or 4 years, because I graduated from high school in 2012, and I went to college right away, but I did dropped out in 2014, I think. So I did drop out from college. I was going to Palomar College here in San Marcos as well. And I did drop out, and I haven't been to school ever since. So I am nervous, especially it is something that I was not expecting to do. I told myself every single time like I didn't want to be in the medical field because I don't know why. I just felt like it was too much. And for some reason, this career is actually like very interesting. So yeah, so if you guys are planning to go back to school, do it. I do recommend it. Don't hesitate. Do your research. I did my research in other schools and stuff for this particular career. It's freaking expensive in other schools. Like in the adult school in Escondido, it's like 24 to 30 something thousand dollars. And Pima Medical Institute is only 11K. That's it. And yeah, so I'll be doing that for 8 months. So I'll be there 6 months. Hopefully I'm good at it and I don't lose my motivation, and I keep going and I get to graduate and work as a medical administration, because it's time for me to get a career now. I'm 25 years old. But don't take it too hard. Like if you're my age and you're older, don't think that, oh, you need to get a career now. Because take your time. If you still don't know, don't do it. You know, I'm still interested in other careers, but I mean, this is a start. I could go back to school later on. I mean, there was a lady there that was doing retail for 15 years, and she's now going into MA. So yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, don't give up in your dreams. Do what you gotta do. Nora, if you're watching this years later, because you're 8 years old right now, you started 3rd grade right now. You know your big sister got you, and if you really do want to do veterinary technician, you saw then this school they do veterinary technician. So you got it, girl. You got it. Big sister will be proud of you if you follow your dreams. There's someone there. But yeah, and I hope everyone is proud of me that I'm going back to school. My fiance tells me that he's proud of me. My parents, they don't really say it, but they show it. So yeah, I'm going back to school starting on Monday. So if you guys want to see vlogs of me like going back to school, like going to school in my uniform. I won't be getting my new uniform, I guess, in like within the second week. That's what they said, I think. So just let me know if you want to see vlogs, and I'll for sure do vlogs. Because, well, I do have school in the evenings. I don't know if I mentioned that. I'll be starting at 5:40 p.m. till 10 p.m. So we'll see how that goes. Yes. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. I don't know how long it will be. It's probably going to be long. So yeah, I think this is it. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.